Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Welcome to our culinary journey where today we're diving into the enchanting world of Baumkuchen, a European treasure that has found its way to the bustling streets and cozy bakeries of America. This cake, often referred to as the king of cakes, boasts a rich history and an even richer taste, making it a must-try for dessert lovers across the globe. Baumkuchen, or tree cake as it's affectionately known due to its tree ring-like layers, originates from Germany. This exquisite dessert is celebrated for its unique preparation method, which involves baking thin layers of batter on a rotating spit over an open flame or in a specialized oven. As each layer browns, it's brushed with more batter, creating up to 25 layers or more in a single cake. This meticulous process results in a cake with a golden exterior and a soft, moist interior, each slice revealing the beautiful ringed pattern that gives Baumkuchen its name. The journey of Baumkuchen to the United States is a testament to the universal appeal of this delectable pastry. In America, it's not just a cake, it's an experience, a slice of European elegance that has been embraced with open arms. Specialty bakeries and European pastry shops across the country have taken to crafting their own versions of Baumkuchen, paying homage to its traditional roots while infusing local flavors and flair. In the U.S., Baumkuchen is often found during the holiday season, making it a festive favorite among families and friends. It's a symbol of celebration and togetherness, often served at special occasions and gatherings. The cake's visual appeal, with its intricate layers and glossy glaze, makes it a centerpiece on any dessert table, drawing admiring glances and eager forks. American adaptations of Baumkuchen sometimes include innovative twists, such as the addition of local ingredients or the pairing with fruit compotes and creams to complement its subtle sweetness. Chocolate-coated Baumkuchen is particularly popular, offering a decadent version of the classic cake. Beyond its taste and aesthetic appeal, Baumkuchen in America represents the blending of cultures and the sharing of culinary traditions. It's a reminder of the power of food to connect people, transcending borders and bringing a piece of European heritage to American soil. For those looking to try their hand at making Baumkuchen, be prepared for a challenge. The traditional method requires patience and skill, but modern adaptations and kitchen gadgets have made it more accessible for the home baker. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or a curious food enthusiast, the art of making Baumkuchen is a rewarding endeavor that brings a piece of European baking tradition into your kitchen. In conclusion, Baumkuchen's presence in America is a celebration of culinary diversity and the enduring appeal of traditional desserts. Its intricate layers not only tell the story of its meticulous creation but also of the journey from its German origins to its cherished place in American hearts and homes. So, next time you're indulging in a slice of Baumkuchen, remember you're savoring a piece of history, craftsmanship, and international camaraderie, all wrapped up in the sweet embrace of this extraordinary cake.